Hello, and welcome to CS2Go with CodeSavvy. This is week 2 of the Beginner Challenge. This video will focus on using Scratch to create a project in honor of Earth Day. My name is Tom, and I'm an elementary school teacher for St. Paul Public Schools, and I'm going to be helping you with the CS2Go Earth Day Scratch Challenge. Your challenge this week with the CS2Go Beginner Challenge is to create a project in Scratch that honors Earth Day. If you're new to Scratch, let's go over some of the basics. Up here, you have your project preview. This is where you can see how things work as you build it and add new code. Down here, you have your sprites. Sprites can be things like characters, but also buttons. Anything you want to move or change or interact with is a sprite. Over here, we have our backdrops. Think of backdrops like a background of a play. It's something that goes behind the sprites that just kind of stays there for looks. Over here, we have our code blocks. We will use these to snap together and make scripts. Our scripts will go out in this area over here as we build them. The best way to learn how to use Scratch is by practicing building a project, so let's get started. For Earth Day, I think it would be fun if we could build a project that could help others draw things like animals or nature. I'll help you get started building a sprite that can be a pen in Scratch, but then the rest is up to you. To make a pen in Scratch, we want an invisible sprite that can be our pen. So to do this, we need to go up to Costumes and get rid of anything that's there. Now we have a sprite that's still there, but's invisible. Let's rename this one our pen. So if we go back to our code, we can go down to the Scratch extensions and get all the blocks we need for our pen. Here you'll find things like pen down, up, and erase. Now we need to add two scripts that look like this. One script will tell the sprite to always go to where the mouse is. The other script tells the sprite when to draw or not. Once you have these two scripts in place, you now have an invisible sprite that will work as a pen to let people draw anything that they want. If you ever want to erase something, you can go to the pen blocks and click Erase All. So what kinds of drawing projects could we make that could honor Earth Day? Could you make a project where people could practice tracing and learn how to draw different types of animals? Or how about a project where users can draw the environment that an animal lives in? Once you've figured out these things, could you add other pieces to improve your project? How about a button that lets people erase their drawing, or maybe some way that they could change the colors of their pen? Now you try it. Try to create a project that includes drawing and honors Earth Day. Use your imagination and have fun, and don't forget to tune in next week for a new challenge with CS2Go.